morning view from the porch. The water's like glass. It's nice to look at the water and ignore the garbage. Time for basement craziness. This is the very steep stairs down to the basement. It's all insulated, which is really nice. This is what was here before. This is a structural post. It's fine, but that'll have to be replaced. But here is the big reveal. This is what was done this week. So these are posts and beams holding up the floor joists. They were not here before, and the floor was sagging. So it wasn't really so much that they needed replacement. We didn't remove anything down here. All we did was add. So now the floor is straight. And then this is the beginning of the kitchen addition that was added at some point, and that wasn't there before. It just wasn't there. So now the basement is a whole lot stronger and sturdier, which is really great. Good morning. Today's the day I pull out ceiling tile staples. So there's all of this back here behind me has staples on it. So the straps that are along the ceiling that the tiles were held on with need to come out so that when I put the new material on, it's a nice, smooth, even surface. So here I go. Hey buddies and friends, it's me again, and I know I look absolutely crazy right now. I have dust in my hair. I've been wearing a dust mask all day. It's really, really hot up here. It's the hottest day of the year so far, and here I am insulating in preparation for the not so hot days, you know what I mean? So anyway, this is a bedroom that is now insulated, and you can see all these lovely little spots here. Those were spots with no insulation before, and now they are insulated, which is amazing. So this bedroom is done. This little bedroom over here is done. Still need to build a little wall there. And then this whole outside wall here is done. So I'm basically insulating all of the outside walls. I just wanted to show you in the daylight, but today my goal is to finish insulating inside of this bedroom, which has a few spots. I haven't really cut into the wall yet, but yeah, so I've just been cutting with the saw and then measuring out little pieces, sticking them in the wall very carefully. And then I'm gonna add the vapor barrier, and then it will be time to drywall. So my whole goal today was to get the upstairs ready to drywall. That also includes removing nails. So there's lots of little nails sticking out of the wall, like where trim was, or who knows what was there over the years. So my other thing that I'm doing today is taking up nails. It is hot, but you know, progress is good. So yeah, that's another big thing checked off the old massive checklist. I don't know, has anyone else out there done a reno where they just like have a massive checklist? I'm gonna show you my massive checklist. Okay, and we're gonna cross some things off. It's gonna be really fun. Here's the massive checklist that I was telling you about. So, remove outhouse, done. Get rid of washer and dryer, done. Clean out the shed. I didn't show you guys that, but that is done. That was a lot of garbage. Removing carpets, done. Removing cupboards, done. Removing the ramp, done. You know what I'm gonna put here? Sometimes I like to put things on my to-do list that I've already done just to check them off, because this was a big one. Fill trailer, boop, we did that. Remove upstairs walls and cubbies, we did that. Wash the walls and the trim in the front room, we did that as a first pass. Tear down the walls and closets, yup. Remove ceiling tiles, got it. Jack up the low spots from below, did that. Remove subfloor and nails, whoo, did I ever. Beams, 2 in the basement, 1 on the main floor, oh yeah, baby. And then upstairs, I'm almost ready to check this one off. This is what I'm doing today. Electrical is done, and then we're gonna move into vapor barrier. And then I'm gonna hang the drywall, and then I'm gonna tape mud and sand, prime and paint, do the trim, build the third wall. Oh, you know what? This should be like here. Whoop. Anyway, that's something I need to work on today and tomorrow. Build a railing, and then I'm gonna come downstairs and I'm gonna drywall downstairs. I just want to give a special shout out to my sister, who is the lady in these videos, helping me out with the insulation. It was so nice to have her here helping. Some people may think like, oh, I was only there for a couple of hours, we didn't do very much, you know, it was just little stuff, sorry I couldn't help you more. But the thing is that like, it matters so much to me to have people come even just for a little bit to help, because it's less that I have to do, right? And it's a morale boost and it's positivity, and it's my sister, you know? So it's just really nice to spend some time with her. And afterwards we went to the plant nursery and we got a few little plants and plunked them in the side yard to make a bit of a garden. And my sister's line was, sometimes you just need a little joy, which is so true because, you know, maybe what I really want is a deck, but what I got was a little garden, which made me feel a little bit of joy. So that was really nice. It didn't take very long to do, and it just makes such a big difference in the house, in the side yard, and in my morale. So thank you to my sister, who hates being on camera, for coming out and helping. It was really lovely. And here we have the first room ready for drywall. Isn't she lovely? Over here, you may see that I put some vapor barrier on this interior wall. I did that, and then I did a little research and I called a few people, and I realized now that it's not necessary. Which just makes me happy because that's a lot less work. So, just doing vapor barrier on the outside walls that have insulation in them. Yep, that's what I'm doing. My pretty little garden and my pretty little dog. And my pretty little house. So I've got Shasta daisies, black-eyed Susans, and this is a little lavender, and that's a hydrangea. Ooh. We can do whatever we want. Thanks, Ruthie.
Oh, you're welcome. So pretty. You hate it. Okay, that's all.